Good morning students. I hope all of you are doing well. In today's video, we will do revision from chapter 1, A New House from your literature book. Before starting our revision part, first I will tell you that your periodic test is going to be held from 10th of August. So now students, please get serious for your studies. Watch each and every videos and make your notes. So in literature part, there will be total 5 lessons from lesson 1 to lesson 5. Lesson 1 is A New House. Lesson 2, Granny's Little Laptop. Lesson 3, The Mountain That Ate People. Lesson 4, We Have Been Friends Together. And lesson 5 is Arthos, Porthos and Aramis. So in literature there will be total 5 lessons, and in grammar there will be total 5 lessons from lesson 1 to lesson 5. So all of you, please make all your notes in your fair copy, the literature part in your literature fair copy, all the question answers and exercises write in your literature copy, and grammar exercises in your grammar copy, and study according to them. So now let's begin with our class. So the first chapter which we will start today is A New House, and the writer is Neil Gaiman. This chapter will take you a fantasy world of Coraline. Coraline is a little girl, that how she has spent 2 weeks in the new house they have recently shifted to. Means in the story there is a little girl whose name is Coraline, and they have recently shifted to a new house. So what adventures she has faced and what exploration she has done in her new house, that we will study today. Now let's begin our class.
A new house. A new house means एक नया घर. A New House is the first chapter of a novel, Coraline Graveyard Book, and it is written by Neil Gaiman in 1960. He is an English writer famous for fantasy world. Means the writer used to write stories based on fantasy world. Fantasy world means the stories which are based on your imagination. That is not true. Okay, जो आपकी imagination है, जो आपकी fantasy है, जो real नहीं है, बस आपकी imagination है. Now let's know about who was Neil Gaiman. Neil Gaiman was born in 1960, is an English writer famous for important fantasy works such as Stardust, American Gods, Coraline, and The Graveyard Book, and the epic graphic novel series The Sandman. Gaiman is an active voice on social issues as well, with his articles, blogs, interviews, and speeches widely followed. Now coming to important characters in the story, there are few characters in the story. They are Coraline. Coraline is a little girl. Coraline's father, Coraline's mother, Miss Spring, Miss Forcible. So here Miss Spring and Miss Forcible are the neighbors of Coraline. Coraline Jones moves to a new house with her parents. Means in this story is based on the journey, that what happened when the little girl Coraline moved to a new house. Means जो एक गर्ल रहती हैं Coraline, जब वो अपने नए घर में जाती हैं, then क्या एडवेंचर्स होते हैं उनके साथ, वो स्टोरी में बताए गए हैं. One day it rained heavily and the Coraline was stuck inside her house. So what happened one day? So one day it rained when Coraline has to stay inside her home, but she wants to roam and explore things, and she loves to explore, and she was feeling very lonely because both of her parents were busy doing their office work. She was very disturbed. So what happened one day when it rained? So that time Coraline wants to go out. Means वो चाहती थी कि वो घर के बाहर जाएं एंड बारिश में जाके खेलें एंड अपने घर के आसपास के एरिया का एडवेंचर्स करें. मीन्स एक्सप्लोर करें, देखें क्या क्या. मीन्स वो बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी रहती थी उनके अंदर कि मैं सब चीज़ें ढूंढ लूँ, मैं सब चीज़ें देख लूँ, मैं कुछ इन्वेंट कर लूँ. जैसे हम जब छोटे रहते तो हमें एक क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है ना सब कुछ जानने की, कि हम क्या आसपास हमारी जो भी चीज़ें हैं उसको एक्सप्लोर करें. So one day it rained but she wants to go out and play. As both her parents means उनके जो दोनों पेरेंट्स थे वो बहुत बिजी थे अपने ऑफिस वर्क्स में, so that time Coraline was feeling very lonely. She goes to her mother and asks her what to do. So then she decided to ask her mother, so now what to do? She replied that watch a movie, read books, talk to neighbors. Then Coraline's mother told Coraline that do one thing, you watch a movie, read books or talk to neighbors. But Coraline refused her mother and she said, no, I don't want to do those things. I want to explore. Means ना मुझे टीवी देखना है, ना मुझे बुक्स पढ़ना है, ना मुझे नेबर से बात करनी है, ओनली मुझे एक्सप्लोर करना है. Coraline went over the window, watched the rain to come down. She watched all videos. She was bored with the toys. Then she turned on the television, which she keep on changing channel, and finally she finds a man talking about stock market. Now again she keeps on changing the channel. Then eventually she found something to watch, where the program is telling about the protective coloration is the animals, birds and insects, how they discuss themselves. So she enjoyed that program, but that program also ended soon. Now what to do? Now again she is lonely. So Coraline went over the window, means Coraline then Coraline क्या करती हैं, वो विंडो के पास जाती हैं, देन रेन को देखती हैं कि बारिश हो रही है. देन शी स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग वीडियोज़. देन वो वीडियोज़ टीवी पे कुछ देखती हैं. देन वीडियोज़ में वो कुछ देखती हैं स्टॉक में, अ पर्सन टेलिंग अबाउट स्टॉक मार्केट. देन शी कीप ऑन चेंजिंग चैनल टू चैनल. देन वो बार बार चैनल को चेंज कर रही हैं बिकॉज उनको कुछ टीवी में कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है देखने में. देन वो एक प्रोटेक्टिव कलरेशन के बारे में देखती हैं, अ प्रोग्राम विच टेल्स अबाउट प्रोटेक्टिव कलरेशन अबाउट एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स एंड इंसेक्ट्स. सो टीवी पे कुछ प्रोग्राम दिखाया जाता है जो बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स के एंड इंसेक्ट्स के बारे में कुछ बताया जाता है. देन शी वॉच दैट प्रोग्राम एंड शी लाइक्स दैट प्रोग्राम वेरी मच. बट दैट प्रोग्राम ऑल्सो एंडेड विथ वेरी सून, मीन्स वो प्रोग्राम भी बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो गया. नाउ वॉट टू डू? अगेन शी इज़ लोनली. नाउ अब उनके पास कुछ भी नहीं है बिकॉज उनका जो प्रोग्राम था वो भी ख़त्म हो गया. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? नाउ अगेन शी इज़ लोनली. Coraline goes to her father and he suggested her to explore the house. Means then she went to her father who was busy in his computer. She asked her father, should I go out and play in rain? But her father refused her, and then her father suggested her to play a game, and he told her that take a piece of paper and a pen, count all the doors and windows, list everything blue and discover a hot water tank, and said Coraline not to disturb him as he was doing office work. Then Coraline अपने फादर के पास जाती हैं. देन उनके फादर से वो पूछती हैं क्या मैं बाहर जाके खेल सकती हूँ, बट उनके फादर उनको रिफ्यूज़ कर देते हैं बिकॉज बाहर बहुत बारिश होती रहती है. एंड देन हर फादर सेड दैट डू वन थिंग, आप एक गेम खेलिए, आप पेपर ले लीजिए, पेन लीजिए एंड काउंट करिए कि हमारे फ्लैट में कितने डोर्स हैं, विंडोज़ कितने हैं, वाटर टैंक्स कितने हैं ब्लू. सो वो उनके गेम देते हैं खेलने के लिए, सो दैट she can explore all the flats by counting all the doors and windows. Coraline asked her father, can I go to drawing room? Then her father said, you go, but do not make any mess in drawing room. So Coraline अपने फादर से पूछती है कैन आई गो टू ड्राइंग रूम, मीन्स क्या मैं को ड्राइंग रूम में जा सकती हूँ. देन उनके फादर कहते हैं ओके आप जाओ ड्राइंग रूम में, बट कोई वहाँ मेस मत करना, मीन्स कोई भी चीज़ें वहाँ ख़राब मत करना एंड कोई भी चीज़ें वहाँ गंदी नहीं करना, बिकॉज दैट ड्राइंग रूम इज़ मेंट फॉर गेस्ट. मीन्स वो उस ड्राइंग रूम में सिर्फ गेस्ट आते थे एंड उस ड्राइंग रूम में कुछ एक्सपेंसिव फर्नीचर्स रखे गए थे जो कि कोरालाइन्स आपके ग्रैंडमदर के थे. ओके. Coraline counted all the doors, windows, hot water tank, and then she found a door locked, and then she asked her mother, "Where does the door goes?" Her mother shook her head and took the old key from the kitchen top and said, "The door do not go anywhere." Then she opened the door, and yes, her mother was right. The door does not go anywhere. It opened onto a brick wall. So now what happened? Coraline started exploring the house, means she started counting all the doors and windows. Then while doing that she found, means उन्हें एक डोर मिलता है जो कि लॉक था. देन शी आस्क हर मदर कि ये डोर क्यों लॉक है. देन उनकी माँ वो वहाँ पे एक उनके किचन में कीज रहती हैं, उसको उठाती हैं. देन वो उस डोर को खोलती हैं एंड उनकी माँ उनसे कहती है कि ये डोर कहीं नहीं जाता है. वो जब डोर को आप खोलेंगे तो सामने भी एक दीवार आएगी, मीन्स एक वॉल आएगी. और यस, उनकी माँ एकदम राइट थी. जब उन्होंने दरवाज़ा खोला देन कोरालाइन ने देखा कि वो डोर कहीं नहीं जाता था. मीन्स सो नाउ द बिग wooden door was always locked because the door did not go anywhere. Beyond the door, it opened onto a brick wall. It means वो डोर हमेशा इसलिए लॉक रहता था बिकॉज दैट डोर डज नॉट गो एनीवेयर. जब आप वो दरवाज़ा खोलेंगे, डोर खोलेंगे, देन वो सामने उसकी एक ब्रिक वॉल थी और कुछ नहीं था. नाउ देन Coraline and Coraline's mother went to have dinner. Coraline's father had made leek and potato soup with tarragon garnish and melted cheese, but Coraline did not like this recipe. She went to the freezer and got out some microwave chips and pizzas for her. So, what happened then? Coraline के फादर्स ने कुछ डिश बनाई थी, कुछ रेसिपी बनाई थी विच शी डिड नॉट लाइक इट. देन शी वेंट टू द फ्रीज़र, वो फ्रीज़र के पास गई एंड सम माइक्रोवेव चिप्स एंड पिज़्ज़ा लेके आई अपने डिनर के लिए. दैट नाइट Coraline goes to bed. She hears a creaking sound down the hall. A shadow scuttles past her door. She follows it to the room, but the brick up door, then the shadow dashes inside. Coraline runs after it and opens the door. Orderly, there is nothing but the same old bricks. She goes back to bed and dreams of black shapes with red eyes and sharp yellow teeth. They scurry about and sing to her in high-pitched voices. So here what happened? Then Coraline went to her bed for sleep. Then she hears some creaking sound. Means जब वो बेड पे जाती हैं सोने, then उनको कुछ साउंड आती है जो कि हॉल से आती है. डाउन द हॉल अ शैडो स्कटल्स पास हर डोर. देन वो क्या देखती है? एक शैडो उनके डोर से पास होती है. शी फॉलोज इट. देन वो शैडो को फॉलो करती हैं एंड देन वो हॉल में जाती हैं. एंड देन शी अगेन ओपन्स द वुडन डोर, द सेम डोर जो कहीं नहीं जाता था. मीन्स दैट डोर दैट डज नॉट गो एनीवेयर. इट ओपन टू अ ब्रिक वॉल. So she just opened the door and again she saw the same door, the door which does not go anywhere. So now what happened? वो फिर वही डोर को खोलती हैं एंड क्या होता है? फिर वो डोर के सामने एक ब्रिक वॉल ही रहती है. देन Coraline फिर चली जाती है अपने रूम में सोने के लिए एंड देन शी स्टार्टेड ड्रीमिंग. मीन्स वो सपने कुछ देखने लगती हैं. सपने में वो एक शेप देखती हैं, ब्लैक शेप जिसकी रेड आइज रहती हैं एंड शार्प येलो टीथ. एंड दे ऑल वर सिंगिंग, मीन्स दे ऑल वर सिंगिंग इन हाई पिच वॉइसेस. मीन बहुत तेज़ी से वो शेप्स कुछ गा रहे थे, कुछ बोल रहे थे. दैट वी आर स्मॉल बट वी आर मेनी, वी आर मेनी, वी आर स्मॉल, वी वर हियर बिफोर यू, rose. We will be here when you fall. Okay. Now students, we have completed this story. Hope you all have understood. So this is very simple story about how Coraline spent her days when she moved to a new house. First, she started exploring her garden, grounds, and then she started exploring her indoor adventures, means inside her home she started adventuring. So now students, your homework for today is to read the story once again and then learn all the question answers which are given at the back, because your PT exam is going to be held from 10th August. So all of you please get serious and please watch each and every videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in a comment section below the video. And class, please don't forget to write your name, class, which section for your attendance. Thank you.